Vacation. It only makes
sense. Get it? It doesn't matter where you are, vacation is a state of mind.
As long as you're bringing your solar sense, and if you don't know what that is, solar sense, it's giving salty waters, sandy shores, coconuts, hand me my pina colada.
Or maybe hand us 4 fragrances that we're taking on our vacation. First up, I know what that is. We're hopping off the plane, we're going to the hotel, checking in, and I'm spraying this everywhere because we're setting the tone for a bougie girls trip.
It's like giving a resort on a private island.
Yeah.
Okay, next fragrance is Replica Beach Walk. Okay, we've checked in, we've showered, we're fresh. Next thing we're doing is we're heading down to the beach. We're getting some kind of drink in a coconut, and we're gonna take each other's pictures. Like this, look back at. No, you have to look back at the camera.
Oh.
Like that.
Okay, I know we're wearing this. First of all, we are running late to dinner, and this bottle's reminding me, chase the sunset. In the bottle, it just looks like a beautiful little sunshine.
Y el final. Oh, this is like the wrap up of the vacation. You know, you have all the memories of everything we did all in one. It's a fragrance you want to come back to remember the beautiful vacation you had with your bestie.
Well, back to work.
Broke a dream.